Hamilton County District Attorney General Cody Wamp is the focus of heavy criticism for her role in closing down the Budgetel Inn in East Ridge yesterday. Residents say they were not notified of their eviction ahead of time and were given a mere 4 hours to get out. Riley Nagel's been speaking with a local defense attorney for some legal guidance on the story.
Some now former Budgetel residents are saying they're not allowed to come back and grab their possessions after being kicked out yesterday. We spoke with local attorney Flores to find out what rights these former residents really have.
It's not my clothing that's causing the nuisance. You know, if you think it's me, you're putting me out. Let me get my stuff.
Flores claims the DA's office has no right to hold on to the personal possessions of those who were evicted Wednesday morning, citing the taking clause from the Fifth Amendment. Under the U.S. Constitution, the clause states, "Nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation." But Flores says that's a small issue when compared to the lack of due process given to the tenants.
We're not Stalin, Russia. We're supposed to be the United States. And you have to give them notice.
Flores explained residents paying day to day would not be considered leasing the property, voiding their property rights. But if even one of the residents pays month to month, they would be considered a tenant under Tennessee's Landlord Act and have at least 5 days notice of eviction. In that case, he says Cody Wamp could be in legal trouble.
If she was personally involved and made the personal decisions, she can be brought before a federal court in her individual capacity by dispossessing people of their leasehold or their proprietary interest.
Several residents of the inn reached out to Local 3 asking for help. Chuck Burkhalter says he had indeed paid his rent for the month of November and has yet to receive his money back.
If I hadn't saved my money right, I wouldn't be able to live right now.
Burkhalter tells us he has been paying rent month to month since September and believes many other residents were doing the same. Cody Wamp has stated the reason for closing the hotel down was because of several sex offenders residing there, along with a high volume of criminal activity. Flores, a defense attorney for more than 2 decades, says he does not understand why the district attorney general was in a rush to shut it down.
She's moving them out of the cesspool and into the street in sub-freezing temperatures at night with nowhere to go, while inflation's at its highest rate in years. We got the holidays coming up. People have paid their money in advance, and now you're kicking them on the street.
The DA says the case is set to be heard in criminal court on Monday. Reporting in East Ridge, I'm Riley Nagel, Local 3 News.